In this video, we just wanted to show you a best practice for installing your drive bays in the geoDVR Gen 4. The removable drive bays look like this, and they have a little button here you'll see. You actually, before we put it in there, you're going to want to hit that, open that up. This is just a door there. And so you want to make sure that the disk side is going towards the outer side of the geoDVR unit. And one easy way to do this is just be sure that the clasp here, I guess if you will, always opens up towards the top. So we'll put that in there. And you just want to give it a nice little, just a tiny push to get it on in there. That'll come down, and then you can close it. And you're all good to go now. To remove it, just same thing, pull it out, but you just want to give it a little bit of a push to get it seated, and then you should be set. Generally speaking, would not recommend using the lock just from a convenience sake standpoint, unless you have a valid reason for security reasons for thinking you might need to do that. But generally speaking, we'd leave it unlocked just for ease of use. And that's how you swap out the drive bays.